What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one of my videos. In today's video we are doing a quick kitchen cleanup while the babies are sleeping, and I'm sure, as you can hear, I have a baby currently on my chest grunting and moving around in her sleep. So if you hear that throughout the video, sorry, but also not sorry. So if you're a new viewer, I will just update you and let you know that I just had twin girls 4 weeks ago now. I can't even believe that they're already a month old, but this goes without saying that if you're a mom or a caregiver or just human in general, it's so hard to get certain things done when you have certain types of distractions. And in my case, it's newborn babies and a 5-year-old daughter that I have to take care of day in and day out, obviously. So our twins were born at 36 weeks and 3 days. So technically considered, I think, full term for twins, but obviously 40 weeks gestation for a singleton baby is what's considered full term. So our little babies are still very much little babies and only about 5 pounds each. And with that being said, they still act like very new babies, as if they were born yesterday. So they need a lot of love and a lot of attention and a lot of holding and a lot of eating and a lot of everything, which makes it nearly impossible for me to get anything done around the house, which is why I'm so forever grateful that I have such a supportive partner. I think actually when I was filming this video, this was the first time since giving birth, and even prior to giving birth, being pregnant, I was just so drained during my pregnancy, especially during the end. And also very uncomfortable. As you can imagine, carrying 2 babies is a little bit different than carrying just one, regardless of them being small. So recording this video and taking out my ring light and doing all of this felt so good, and it just felt like I was getting back to normal and starting to live again, I guess you could say. Having responsibilities and actually getting them done when you're a stay-at-home mom is so rewarding, in my opinion, just to have that little time to yourself, even though you're doing something for your home and not relaxing. I think it feels great. So here you can see me, my little girl woke up and said, Mom, you're trying to get something done? Absolutely not. So if you are a mom and you have new little ones, or even just little ones in general, let me know how you guys balance out your life between being a mom and taking care of your home and also taking care of yourself. Even though this is my second time having a baby, I feel like it's all so new to me again, because it's been 5 years since I've had just a little one hanging around. Like I said, let me know in the comment section how you guys balance everything out. So when you guys are cleaning your kitchen, where do you guys start? I feel like I don't really have a start point, and I have very much like ADHD when I'm cleaning. I will start doing the dishes, then 2 seconds later I'll see dirt or something on the counter. I'll stop doing the dishes, I'll clean the counter, and then I just keep going back and forth, back and forth. So when you guys are cleaning, do you stick to one chore at a time, or do you have crazy cleaning habits like me and run around your house like a crazy maniac? I feel like I've always kind of done things like this, but now that I have babies again, I feel like I have to get things done so fast before they wake up again. And you never know how long they're going to sleep for. So you really just have to rush through every single thing that you're doing, whether that be cleaning, showering, going to the washroom, doing absolutely anything is now rushed. I also really just wanted to touch base with everybody who's watching and let you guys know that if you are doing absolutely anything at all, that is better than doing nothing at all. And I cannot stress this enough. If you even just put a new roll of toilet paper in your bathroom, you have done something. So be proud of that. I don't want my videos to come across as if I have so much free time on my hands and I'm a perfect stay-at-home mom and my house is clean and spotless 24/7. It is absolutely not. And that is exactly why I make these videos, so that you guys can see how it looks prior to me even touching it. And even though the video is cropped to 23 minutes, this actually took me 3.5 hours. If I'm being completely honest, a task that used to just take me maybe an hour has now taken me 3 hours, because I have little ones that need my attention more than the camera and more than the kitchen. So here I am going back and forth. Every single time that you see me walk that way, I'm going to the babies because they are crying. So please, if you are still watching my videos and you frequently watch my videos, just know that I just want to be open and honest with you guys and let you know that I would be a literal superhero if I just walked around in a spotless house all the time, and if I could get this done in an actual 23 minutes. But like I said, I cannot. So please do not tell yourself that you're not doing enough. Like, I'm a firm believer that whatever you get done is more than enough, and I am so proud of you for even doing it. I also just wanted to say, if you're still watching right up until this 15-minute mark, please let me know in the comment section. I want to know who's watching, who's here for all of my videos, or most of my videos, and who's supporting me. I'd really like to thank you guys for that. And if you are watching and you're cleaning and gaining motivation, please also let me know that in the comment section. I also want to take requests from you guys, what you guys want to see done. I'm sure it needs to be done in my house, so if it needs to be done in your house, let me know and I will try to make a video and give some of that cleaning motivation. If you actually sit here and watch me clean, let's be friends. Like, what are you waiting for, honestly? Thank you guys so much for your support, though. Guys, I did it. I finished the kitchen, finished the dining room, swept and mopped in what you guys think was 23 minutes, but it was actually a long 3 hours, but I am still proud. You did it. We did it. So proud of you guys. And again, thank you so much for watching my videos. I am back. I'm not going anywhere. I'm getting back in the groove, getting back to what I consider normal. So enjoy these last couple minutes of the video. Let me know what you guys thought. And I'll be back in a couple minutes.
Wanna get you right now. Need to take me night bomb. Heart gon' speed so go splash on my way. Wanna get you 당장. 매일 head 답답해. Wanna leave cannon or dash on your favorite space on my brain. I dash on your face, but can't me so bad. You're such a space, splash on my brain. I dash on your face, but can't me so bad. You're such a sway.
Dancing on my ass like a move. Bad red shit in my shoes. Pull up to your bed and never lose. Sip it that we're getting loose. See me now, no can take you off. Go time, beat, please take that off. Swerving on the beat, no need to get that car. Swerving on the beat, no need to get that car. I get the cash and I go hard. Spend all the cash on the fashion. Ain't gotta talk all the shit at all. Shorty's just let everybody talk. Shorty's just let everybody talk. Ooh, swearing with you. Got me crazy, oh damn, I'll keep it on the 어젯밤만 네 생각에 잠도 못 일어 yeah. 어젯밤만 내 생각에 뭔가 잘못했어 Just care about it cause 곤란하니까 You make me dizzy 알라 머리 아파 지금도 너 생각해 Yeah yeah Just wanna keep going oh yeah 오늘 내 약속이 oh yeah 있어도 break that shit 아직 갈길 멀어 우리 사이 yeah You're so bulletproof 안기고 싶어 니뽀 지금 앉아 가사 쓰는 중 너 생각에 잠겨 yeah yeah
Crank me so bad 이건 내가 위험해 Don't tell my friends Check you I'm gon' dash Crank me so bad 이건 내가 위험해 Don't tell my friends Check you I'm gon' dash Wanna get you right now Need to take me night bomb Heart gon' speed so go splash on my way Wanna get you 당장 매일 head 답답해 Wanna leave cannon or dash on your favorite space on my brain I dash on your face but can't me so bad You're such a space splash on my brain I dash on your face but can't me so bad You're such a space
Let's get down for some soju I take a shot, it's not you I don't want to live without you There's the feeling that is not new I wanna chill, I wanna go, wanna enjoy I wanna watch anything with me and just you 전화에 데리러 갈게 Hit me a 기분 별로일 때 Lift you up 너 어디든 간에 달려와 나한테 안겨서 보고 싶었다는 말 한마디면 녹아버리네
If you guys are still watching, I am sorry for this random voice clip. I was trying to switch over my clips to my SD card. Well, my boyfriend was, and I told him not to switch them over because I knew I was going to lose all of my clips. But I tried to put them back together the best that I could. It was essentially redoing everything, but everything was all jumbled and mixed up, so I had to figure out where everything belonged. So again, if you're still watching, have a laugh. I'm sorry, and hopefully this doesn't happen again. did it, guys. We are at the end of the video. There's my two sweet sleeping beauties that are acting like they didn't wake up a million times during this video. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to hit the like button, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. See you in the next one.